Hi friend, I am Rajdeep Acharya. Welcome to my channel. Today I am back again with 5 new job update. That is, Government of Puducherry released 5 new jobs that are actually Drug Inspector Post, Assistant Drug Inspector Post, Senior Scientific Assistant, Bench Chemist, Lab Assistant. And basically the pay scale of drug inspector post is actually 35,400 rupees. The pay scale of assistant drug inspector post is actually 29,200 rupees, and the pay scale of senior scientific assistant post is actually 30,000 rupees, and the pay scale of bench chemist is actually 25,000 rupees, and the pay scale of lab assistant is actually 15,000 rupees. And this is actually the number of posts. So in 5 posts the number of posts is actually 4. For drug inspector the number of posts is actually 4. For assistant drug inspector post the number of posts is actually 4. For senior scientific assistant the number of posts is actually 4. For bench chemist the number of posts is actually 4. For lab assistant the number of posts is actually 4. Now we will talk about the eligible condition. So if you want to apply for drug inspector post, then your age should be in between 35-year-old, and the minimum degree that you need to apply for drug inspector post is actually degree in pharmacy or pharmaceutical science or medicine with specialization in clinical pharmacology or microbiology from a recognized university or equivalent, and these are the other conditions. So this is the minimum requirement that you need to achieve to apply for drug inspector post. And if you want to apply for assistant drug inspector post, then your age should be in between 35-year-old, and the minimum degree you need to achieve to apply for assistant drug inspector post, this is actually degree in pharmacy or pharmaceutical science or medicine with specialization in clinical pharmacology or microbiology from a recognized university or equivalent. And basically if you want to apply for senior scientific assistant post, then your age should be in between 35-year-old, and the essential qualification is actually MSc degree in chemistry, biochemistry, microbiology, medical laboratory technology from a recognized university or equivalent, or first class with B Pharmacy, M Pharmacy in pharmaceutical science, MSc in pharmaceutical chemistry or chemistry of a recognized university or institute. And basically this is the minimum requirement you need to achieve to apply for senior scientific assistant post. And the desirable condition is actually degree with 5 years or post graduation with 3 years experience in analytical testing of drugs, cosmetics and medical device as per Drugs and Cosmetic Act will be given preference. And if you want to apply for bench chemist, then the minimum requirement is actually first class with B Pharmacy in pharmaceutical science, MSc in pharmaceutical chemistry or chemistry of a recognized university or institute, and the preference will be given to the candidate having knowledge in computer operation. And now if you want to apply for lab assistant, then your age should be in between 35-year-old, and candidate should have a degree with chemistry or microbiology, biochemistry, life science. Preference will be given to such candidates having work experience in drug testing laboratory. So now we will talk about the age limit, that is you need to have a particular age in between 35-year-old, not more than 35-year-old, according to 19/11/2021. And these are actually the other condition that you can see. These are actually the other condition. And method of selection. So basically the selection shall be as following: 90% weightage is given to marks obtained in bachelor degree as per required qualification, 5% weightage is given to the number of years after completion of bachelor degree, and 5% weightage is given to the postgraduate and doctorate. How to apply? The application should be in prescribed format, duly signed, along with self-attested copy of proof evidence or for date of birth, education, technical qualification, experience, etc. And application should be reach the Directorate, Health and Family Welfare Service, Victor. This is actually the address you can see. So basically it is a walk-in interview. You have to carry this application, you have to fill this application, and you have to reach to this particular address before 5 p.m. of 19/11/2021. So basically the date of interview is actually 19/11/2021. So this is the application that you have to fill. So you can see name, sex, father, husband name, date of birth, and native community, educational qualification. So you have to fill this form, and you have to carry this form, and you have to reach to this particular address before 19/11/2021 5 p.m. So basically the date of interview is actually 19/11/2021, and the interview will end in 5 p.m. So thank you so much for watching this video, this job update. Like this lecture, like this job update, and subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.